Dear students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain about dynamic memory allocation with an example. So here I want to discuss about to sum of n natural numbers using dynamic memory allocation. Now here I am declaring variables called I, n and sum. Okay. So here I am declaring one file pointer called ptr. I am asking the user to enter number of elements and then I am going to get that number of elements from the user. So here it is the syntax to create memory dynamically. That is, dynamical memory allocation is nothing but where we are allocating the memory at runtime. So here this is the syntax. So we need to specify the typecast, that is type of the data we are going to store. Malloc means memory allocation, n into size of that data type. So n number of elements into that size of data type. Suppose if it is integer, whether integer occupies either 2 bytes or 4 bytes, according to the compiler it will occupy. So suppose assume that it occupies 2 bytes means n. Suppose if user enters 3 elements means 3 elements, 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 bytes of memory will be allocated at runtime. So if the memory is not sufficient, if the memory is not available in your PC, then it returns to the null. So then it is going to, we can print messages memory not allocated, memory is not sufficient. Otherwise, we are going to enter the values. So here I am printing messages memory allocated successfully. Here I am going to read the elements from the user. For that I am going to use loop called I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So here I have used one printf function to display like enter first element, enter second element, enter third element up to user given number. So here I have used format specifier in place of format specifier. Here we are going to print that value. Suppose I value is 0. I value is initially 0. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 will be printed here. Enter first value. So scanf function here I have taken. So here pointer variable, then plus I, then that data, that value will be stored in the first location, that is 0th location, because I value is 0. Next I will be incremented by 1, that is 1, then it will go to the second location and it will go to the third location up to user given number. So and then I am going to do the sum here. Assume that here n value is 3, n equals to 3. So here now we see the condition here, I equals to 0, I is less than 3. What will be the n value? 3. So what will be the I value? 0, right? So 0 is less than 3. Yes, true. Then sum equals to sum plus ptr plus I. Then it will extract the first value. Point asterisk indicates it will extract the value stored in that particular address. Okay, so what will be the initial value of sum? 0. So 0, assume that the user entered value is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 0 plus 1. Now sum equals to 0 plus 1 means 1. Next, I will be incremented by 1. Now, I value is 1. 1 is less than 3, right? Yes, it is true. So, now again, sum equals to sum plus ptr plus I. Then, now, in the second iteration, sum value is 1. and then place, what is the second element? 2. So that is 2, right? So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. And then I will be incremented by 1. That is I becomes 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, true. Then sum equals to sum plus PTR plus I. That is nothing but third location. Okay. So now sum will be, so sum value initially, sorry, sum value is 3. That is 3 plus value is third element is 3. So now 3, that is 6. So now sum value is 6. Now I will be incremented by 1, that is 3. 3 is less than 3. No, it will come from out of the loop and prints that sum value. Okay. Now sum equals to that value. What is that value? Final value is 6. Now we will see the output. It is asking number of elements. Okay. I am entering number of elements as 3. So here memory allocated successfully. I am going to enter first element as 1, second element as 2, third element as 3. So the sum is 6. Okay. Now we will see once again. I am going to enter number of elements here like 4. I am entering my first element as 10, 12, 14 and then 16. The sum is 52. Clear? Thank you.